Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fill out the rest of the data in this county master sheet. So we have different states and different counties and population. We have under contract. Now this number F that doesn't have to be filled, it's automatically generated. So we're going to start with G and all the columns from G except for column O, it doesn't have to be filled, and except for column T, it doesn't have to be filled. We do want to fill S as well as all the other green ones in between. So let's start with here. LW stands for Landwatch. So if we go to landwatch.com, we're going to use this search box here. And starting from the top, we have California Riverside County. So we're going to see what's the total amount of listings in that county. What we do is we type in, starting with the name of the county, Riverside County, California. There it is. Enter, search. Okay, and here we have the results. And the number of all the listings is going to appear right here. Riverside County, California, land for sale, 12,558. Right here. Sometimes these ads will not be, and this number will be at the top, but it's going to be somewhere in here. And so what we want to do is we want to copy that very number. Enter it right here. There you go. Now we want to check how many listings are under 50,000. So this symbol means under, that's 50,000. So whatever is on Landwatch that's priced under $50,000. And to do that, we go back to Landwatch, and we're already in that county. So we do custom price, and we go max 50,000. Press go, and we scroll down here, and here's our answer, 945. Make sure you press go, and make sure the 50,000 shows up here and expand your results. We're in the United States, California state, county of Riverside. We are up to $50,000, and this is the number that we're after. So we're going to copy that, and we can enter that number here. So we're going to do the same for, here's Landwatch over, everything over 50,000. So to do that, again, very simple. We remove the up to, and we put in the minimum price of 50,000. And here is our number. Again, 50,000 and up. There's many more listings. So we copy that amount, go back to the sheet. I'm going to enter it here. Now, this next one is anything under 50,000 but between 0 and 5 acres. And that's also very simple. So we can remove the 50,000. We can put in 50,000 here. We could have done it before, but we already have this in there. But regardless, so we're going to add acres, 0 to 5. So we only need to put in 5 acres. Then we press go, and here we go. Anything 0 to 5 acres under 50,000, and here is our number, 823. Okay, so the same idea applies everywhere else. Landwatch under 50,000, between 6 and 10 acres, and then anything between 11 and 20 acres, and then 21 to 100 acres, and 101 acres and more. So we're going to put the 101 acres, going to put in a box with the minimal amount and the maximum amount. Just leave it empty. This column O we don't need to worry about, and then go back to Landwatch and check everything that is under $20,000, everything that's under $10,000, and everything that's under $5,000. And it doesn't matter the acreage. So here, the amount of acres is not important here. Here's just under 20, under 10, under 5. And here is only acreage. Basically, we don't need to worry about the price. So we remove the price from the search criteria, and we only put in between 3 and 5 acres. That's it. Thank you for watching, and good luck with the project. Oh, one more thing. If you do find a website that has the land area for all counties in the United States, then we want to find out what is the land area for these first. It's going to be about, I think it's 47 here, but it's going to be about that amount. We're not sure yet how many counties, but it will be explained in the sheet that we provide to work with. It won't be exactly the same sheet here, but it will be a very, very similar sheet. So we would just need land area to be put in square acres or square feet. Now this is something you might need to research and find, and go to Google and basically find out U.S. counties land area. There's a list of 100 counties here. Probably not all of them will be listed, but we have an area, so all we need is the number. We don't need the square miles. All we need is the number to be copied into the spreadsheet to the correct county. It's very important that the numbers get entered into the right, correct place on the spreadsheet, because if we take a number from the website such as this and we by mistake insert it into here, now it's California, now it's in Alaska, it's a totally different place, and when we start analyzing the data, it will be revealed that this number is not correct. And if we have a number that is not correct in any of these, it puts in doubt the correctness or accuracy of any of the numbers, which then means that we cannot make business decisions based on this sheet. So it's an imperative, it's very important that before you put in a number, you make sure that it belongs in this box. That if you're looking under Landwatch for properties under 50,000 and you have a result in Landwatch and you copy it, then you don't insert it here by mistake for over 50,000. So if you do, then it'll screw up and mess up the results of the data, because later we apply formulas and we divide, for example, land area by the amount of properties under 50, or we take population and take all properties, all kinds of things. And we've had the situation in the past where, for example, Alaska here is wrongly put in as 998. That's not the correct number. But because it's incorrect, it showed up at the top of our list of counties to invest in. And so if we invested in Alaska based on this number, which is really high, we would be making a big mistake, because in reality this number is really, really low. So that it doesn't belong here, it belongs somewhere else. That's about it. Thank you for watching. And yes, please make sure that the numbers go exactly where they're supposed to go. We will be cross-referencing the data and checking. Um, and if this project is completed, then we will have more projects. There's about 3,000 counties, over 3,000 counties in the United States. We're only working on 50 right now, but we are going at some point to request data on all 3,000 counties. So if this project is a success, then we would be hiring you again. Thank you and good luck.